Hey everyone, imagine you're driving smoothly, and suddenly your car loses power, struggles to shift gears or even refuses to move. You plug in an OBD-II scanner and boom, code P0882, TCM power input signal low appears. This means your transmission control module isn't getting enough power, which can lead to serious transmission problems. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you where the important sensors and relays are located, the common causes and how to fix this problem step by step. Let's get started. What is DTC P0882? DTC P0882 means that the transmission control module is not receiving the proper voltage signal from the transmission power relay. This can cause transmission malfunctions, erratic shifting, or even limp mode. Common symptoms of P0882. If your car has this code, you may experience car stuck in limp mode, only second or third gear works, harsh or delayed shifting transmission, not engaging properly, check engine light on. Transmission warning light on sensor and component location. Very important transmission control module, usually found in the engine bay, near the battery or fuse box. Some vehicles have it inside the transmission housing, requiring removal of the transmission pan for access. Transmission control relay, typically located in the fuse box under the hood, near the battery. In some models, it's inside the dashboard fuse panel. Wiring and power circuits, runs from the battery to the fuse box, then to the TCM and transmission solenoids. Look for damaged or corroded wires around the TCM, relay and fuses. Check your car's repair manual for exact details. What causes P0882? Here are the most common causes. 1 faulty transmission control relay, stuck or failing. 2 blown fuse in the transmission power circuit. 3 damaged or corroded wiring leading to the TCM. 4 weak battery or bad ground connection. 5 faulty transmission control module TCM. How to fix P0882. Step 1, check the transmission relay. Swap it with a similar relay to see if the issue is fixed. Step 2, inspect all transmission-related fuses. If blown, replace them. Step 3, look for damaged wiring. Check for corrosion, broken wires, or loose connectors leading to the TCM. Step 4, test the battery voltage and ground connections. Ensure proper power is reaching the TCM. Step 5, if everything checks out, consider replacing the TCM. Step 6, clear the code using an OBD-II scanner and take a test drive. Final words. Ignoring P0882 can cause serious transmission failure, leaving you stuck in limp mode. If your car isn't shifting properly, check the relay, fuses, and wiring immediately. For more OBD2 error codes and fixes, watch these videos next. P0630 VIN, not programmed or mismatch. P0631 VIN, not programmed in transmission control module. This is IG Garage helping you fix your car like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.